Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to introduce a powerful and stylish television that can completely change your home entertainment experience. Sony, Samsung and LG 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV.
Buying a 55-inch 4K smart TV sounds easy, but when you see Sony, Samsung and LG together, the real question is which one is actually right for your home? Let me help you choose. Hi, I'm Arohi Sharma, and today I'll walk you through 3 popular 55-inch 4K smart TVs, using them exactly how you would: apps, picture, sound and smart features. Same room, same lighting, same content. Only one question: which 55-inch 4K TV truly belongs in my home?
All 3 TVs come with a large 55-inch screen, perfect for living rooms. You get a slim bezel design, modern look and wall mount support, so they fit beautifully into any home setup.
Let's start with Sony Bravia 2 Google TV. Sony is known for natural colors, and this 4K display looks sharp, balanced and very realistic, perfect for movies, sports and everyday watching. The Sony Bravia 2 turned on, the room felt different, deeper, richer, almost like a private cinema. This TV runs on Google TV, so everything feels fast and organized. You get YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, voice search and smooth navigation. Plus, Dolby Audio makes dialogues clear and immersive. Now this is the Samsung Crystal 4K Vivid Pro. If you love bright screens and punchy colors, Samsung really stands out, especially for YouTube, sports and action content.
I started with the Samsung Crystal 4K TV. The moment it turned on, the colors felt bold and lively. This TV brings instant energy into the room. Samsung Crystal UHD TVs are known for bright and punchy colors. This model enhances content to near 4K quality and delivers strong HDR performance. Playing sports and action scenes look exciting. Samsung's 4K upscaling enhances normal content, and the brightness helps even in well-lit rooms. The smart interface is smooth, responsive, and easy for the whole family.
If you enjoy gaming or fast-paced content, Samsung handles motion very well. Input response feels quick, and visuals remain smooth during action scenes.
Then I switched to the LG 55-inch 4K TV. The colors felt softer, more natural. It instantly felt relaxing. And here's the LG UHD AI ThinQ TV. LG focuses on comfort viewing, smooth motion, and smart AI features that automatically adjust picture and sound. With WebOS, everything feels clean and simple. LG's AI sound and AI picture adjust automatically, making this a great choice for long viewing sessions and family use. Sony gives you natural cinematic quality. Samsung delivers brightness and punchy colors, and LG offers smart AI comfort. Each TV is strong, it just depends on how you watch TV. All 3 TVs offer decent built-in speakers for normal use. For a cinematic experience, adding a soundbar will take audio quality to the next level. Sony is best for cinematic picture quality. LG is perfect for easy smart features and family use. And Samsung is ideal for bright visuals, sports and gaming. Each TV serves a different type of user.
No matter which one you choose, all 3 are powerful 55-inch 4K smart TVs. Links are below. Check today's price and pick the one that fits your lifestyle best. Top 55-inch 4K TVs of 2026. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and comment which TV you would choose. Happy watching!